How can we develop solutions that really make a difference? At SGS, our target is to be competitive, to be the best in the market, to create solutions that enable us to be more cost-effective, faster, while maintaining the quality and the reputation that we have as a company. The challenge we needed to address is to increase the productivity of the process from an end-to-end perspective, so that we can be more effective, we can grow the business and satisfy the needs of our customers. My passion is about bringing teams together to create value. In 1988, I represented the Netherlands at the Olympic Games in rowing. It was a dream that I had in my youth, and I also know from my sports that I cannot do that by myself. I need a team. We need to do it together. We got to Oracle Next. This has helped me to bring people together from different functions, talking about the same issues we are all facing and analyzing it through a structured process. We were able to bring together experts from different angles in the organization and partners in the supply chain equipment and develop solutions as one team. My advice to other innovators is to work with Oracle Next and develop creative, innovative, cost-effective solutions.